So this is the effect, the conclusion of many, many seconds of consideration and pro engineering. This is a very lightweight option, cheap, very affordable. All you need is a piece of your neighbor's fence, a crappy Black & Decker saw, and you too can make yourself a very affordable, very safe, good enough lawnmower blade. And then you don't have to go to the store and buy one of those steel blades from China. You don't want that. Good quality, American made, American timbers that were probably milled in China. Lawnmower blade, made with my two hands and my grandfather's hammer. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real.
Where is it?
They're terrorists. I got oil and gas all over this thing, and the rhododendron's just in the freaking way. So, alright, so obviously the easy start from Craftsman is the mower of choice for most experiments. Go with that noise then. Oh. Yep. If there's one thing you can rely on, Craftsman. Want to see what it looks like?
Nope. Yeah. It came off.
What? God darn it. Gosh dangled berries.
We are observing the problem to come up with a solution.
I tightened it. I don't understand. Ah, of course. It's totally strict. Wow. What does it look like under there?
Still on there. She's spinning.
Good. I'll tell you one thing, it's turning over easier. I barely, did you see that?
Kinda. Oh, it fell off again.
What the flippity crap, huh?
I don't know.
Why? It was tight.
Alright, guys. Third time's the charm. Oh yeah, he's working. good. I mean, it doesn't look...
Wow.
So, yeah, no, she's holding up.
A wooden lawnmower blade is feasible. Whether it's doing a decent cut or not, we won't know because I accidentally on purpose cut my yard with a real lawnmower, but you know. My blade! I spent countless minutes on this! Well, hey, that was better than most people would have expected. But now we've got a new problem. Where's the bolt?
Well, hopefully it's still in there.
You think
But
the
look at
blade's
this.
just shattered?
Yeah, I think so. I think it just kind of got a little too...
I think you're right.
What's it look like?
Like an airplane prop that gave up. Hey, but look at the job it was doing.
I know. That's
pretty cool.
amazing.
Instead of going with a sustainable solution, it's more of the other side of things, like plastic cups and plastic forks and weed whacker line, right?
And a dagger.
Maybe.
Shovel.
But for now,
Spade.
we could have a business selling people crappy wooden lawnmower blades that don't last very long, and we'll sell them in packs of 10. We could make millions, guys.
This is the new sustainable technology.
Hey, you know
Reusable,
what?
not non-reusable lawnmower blades.
This doubles as a good fire starter for camping.
Yeah.
Well, clearly, we'll have to do that again.